Here's Velomingo app, Velocity Edit Maker. So this app, as you can see, is skyrocketing in the top chart of the US App Store and all other app stores. And this is the very easy to use app where you can create really stunning video effects and amazing videos. You only need to select the velocity template you like out of hundreds of velocity templates and add the media and music. The rest is done by Velomingo and you have a cool velocity edit. 3-step video editing. Just select the template you like, add photos, videos to templates, add music to your video. And among features, you can add some perfect beat time into your music videos. You can add some music, add some velocity effects and all of that. And I will just show you how this app works. It's actually super easy to use. You don't need to follow some advanced tutorials or anything like it. It's very easy to understand and start using. So just tap create new project, and what you will just need video which you want to edit. It's not possible to create video from photos, as I understand. So that's what it is at this moment. And then you just, for example, I just selected this selfie video. And now I can select different effect. So as you can see, for this dance effect or something like that. And then I can create another effect like this one. So here you still need to wait. It just also depends on your phone. If your phone is pretty old or I guess with slower processor, it can take some time for it to do this template. But there are a lot of these templates, and this app is really amazing because there are so many templates. So something like that. You can try all of them. And actually I was really surprised that in the end you can export all of this for free, but in the lower quality. If you want to export in high quality, you need to upgrade, and pro version is actually pretty expensive, but we'll touch on that later. So as you can see, there is countless really templates, and all of them are really amazing, and all of them can really push your TikTok or Instagram or anything like it to the next level. So just definitely you can try it out and enjoy. And then you can add music, you can trim, and you can select quality. So anyhow, for example, let's just select some effect. So let's select this one. Let's just wait. It sometimes just takes some seconds to generate this effect. I don't know if it depends on the Wi-Fi or on your phone. So then just tap save, and then you can actually save it to photos. But the thing is, if you want to enable high quality, you need to upgrade to Pro and create stunning videos. So you can try 3 days for free and then $279 per year. So as you can see, it's not cheap. There is no good software which is cheap. Or you can try 3 days for free and then $39 per week. So you can try one of these options. Then also you can try to remove watermark. So also you can try that. 3 days for free, $39 per week, or $279 per year. Sorry. So that's basically it. But the cool part that you can export it for free as well, but in lower quality. So that's the app. You can try some more apps from Pixary. Hope you enjoyed it.